What's going on, guys? I'm Jason and this is Lavish Car Reviews, back with another video. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. It's been so nice here in North Carolina. We've been in the 80s and the 90-degree weather. I know with the coronavirus and everything, people still ain't able to get out the house. Yes, we are social distancing. We only got a couple guys out here today, so it's just us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 people, and we are staying 6 feet apart, so don't worry. All right, so today what we're doing is we are taking photos of the Mustangs, photos of the Corvette, photos of the BMW. We got the Boss 302 and the Shelby GT500 behind me. So also we're gonna do a full review on that Boss 302 today, so we're gonna check it out, as he is finally on corn, you know. So he's running E85 in the car and it's making a whole lot of steam. So I'm gonna take you guys over here in a second. Sean's over there taking pictures of the cars. He's got the big camera, I got the little camera, but my camera's for video. So stay tuned, guys, stay with me. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and watch the video all the way through, okay? It's important you watch it all the way through, and it's important that you subscribe so we build up this database, build up our subscribers, build up the family, you know, because the content's just gonna get better after coronavirus is out of here, you know. So I'm trying to give you guys a bunch of safe videos. I don't want to be stupid and be out here, you know, around a bunch of people and get sick and stuff like that. So because that's not how we're not trying to rock like that. So we're trying to play it safe. I'm gonna give you guys the content as it comes to me, okay? All right, so stay tuned. We'll be right back. We're gonna go check out the Boss. We're gonna check out a couple of these other cars, and then we'll get right back to you. All right. All right, guys, we're back. I'm Jason. This is Lavish Car Reviews, and this is my homeboy, Rowdy SVT. So you guys saw him in his other video with his Boss 302 when we were putting it on E85, so it is finally complete. So say what's up to the camera, bro.
What's up?
All right, so you guys have seen this car before. We didn't go into super depth on it before because we were working on it, but we wanted to make sure that you guys got a piece of the action while it was being complete. So this is a true Boss 302. I got to show you again because you guys out there be hating, saying it's not a Boss 302, it's an intake. It's not an intake, it's a true Boss 302, and he is on ethanol now. The last video that you saw, we installed, well, I kind of helped, but he installed the injectors, LU47 injectors, tuned by Lund, E85. It's making a whole bunch of steam now, and of course PMAS cold air. You got catch can yet?
Nope.
Okay, that's next on the list.
Yep.
Got to get catch can. All right, so yeah, so this is what year Boss is this?
2013.
2013 Boss. So this is 2013 Boss, and like I said, this thing's making a whole lot of steam. And if you come around here, I'm gonna show you that it's really making a lot of steam, because this boy needs some tires. So yeah, the car's on ethanol now. It's really nasty. Like, it's a nasty car. You don't see too many of these cars around. This is a special car. I should have got a white Mustang. It's got big beefy wheels on there, Brembos, of course, Boss 302. This thing is crazy, man. So I'm gonna check out the inside. Recaros, Boss 302 Recaros, true Recaros, nice and clean, always smelling good. Oh, I love this car, man. This is nice, man. I like the S197 platform. They like look more like, you know, retro Mustang, like mine over there, somewhere over there. I mean, it's, you know, it looks different, like, and that's another S197 right there, and then you got the GT500 right there. But these cars are just raw, man. So we're gonna get a cold start. Well, it's not really a cold start, but we're gonna get a start up. Right now you're running the Ghost Cam, right? Ghost Cam tune. So it's on ethanol, Ghost Cam tune, free flowing exhaust. It's got that chop. gonna do is we're gonna go inside. What's up, guys? So we're taking a ride. About to see what this thing do on ethanol. Actually, I wasn't in the car when it was on 93, and it was just nasty as you know already. So we're gonna go take a ride now. Pulling out of this parking lot. This thing's crazy. This thing's nice, man. It's smooth. So what's your next upgrades?
Long tube headers, ported boss intake, and that might be it.
I know how you drive. I gotta put my stuff on the floor. Oh yeah, smooth shifts. Downshifts. What do these cars make normally in stock form?
Stock form, they make 444 crank, and they usually baseline around 380, 385.
Got you.
And I'm estimating between 440 and 450 right now.
Nice, nice. Gotta hit that dyno.
Yeah.
That's the next thing.
Hopefully
once you get the long tubes on, you'll be good.
Yeah. Long tubes, ported intake, and that'll be it for a while. I'm gonna work on suspension after that.
Suspension's a good thing to work on. I need to work on mine a little more too. I'm gonna get the cradle lockouts for mine. BMR makes them. Shout out to BMR. Oh yeah. Man, that thing got some torque, man. Woo. Alright, here we go. First gear hit. Good. Oh, it's ridiculous. All that, like you spun a little bit, right?
Oh, I spun a good bit.
Now, when you have a tire on here, that's gonna be kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Because that's gonna be all
First to second.
Yeah, that's gonna be all grabbing right there.
This car is useless.
Like when you're grabbing at that amount of torque that I felt back there, wow, it's gonna be crazy. This car is gonna be a problem for people. So how you like the Lund Tuned?
Oh, I like it. It's a lot better than the old tune.
Yeah, we ain't gonna name the old tune, but because we don't want to bash other tuners, but the other tune just wasn't cutting it. So. Oh yeah, man, I miss a manual. I'm not gonna lie. They're fun. It's a lot of fun. Dude, this car is great. I mean, if you guys are in the market for a Mustang manual, you know, and you want some good power, get one of these. If you can find a good price, definitely pick one up. I hope you guys had fun, man. That was a crazy ride. This dude could drive though already, so I wasn't really too worried about it. I know he could drive. But yeah, man, it's a wonderful project coming together. I'm thankful to be able to see it and watch it come together, because where he first started, he was already fast, and now he's getting faster. And this is just to show you what you can do with basic bolt-ons and a good tune, good fuel, you know, and a good motor. You can make some power, man. You don't always have to have a big old supercharger to make power and get out there and lay the gap down on somebody. I mean, this Boss 302 this ain't no joke, man. This is raw power, all motor, no blower, no spray, no nothing. This is just fuel and a good tune, man, you know. And this is what you can accomplish with full, you know, basic bolt-on. So if you're in the market to get one, you don't have to spend a ton of money upgrades and mods. You know, you can just go out and do basic bolt-ons to start off with. You don't have to jump out the window and get a supercharger right away. I need to get a supercharger. No, you can start off like this. That's how me and him are. Me and him are pretty much the same car. We're the same car. Like we have the same things right now. The only thing he doesn't have is the headers and a tire.
It's full bolt-on minus headers.
That's what I'm saying. And you get out there and you can just, you know, you can wear a lot of cars out. A lot of NA cars that get wore out, man, you know, with this car. And yeah, man, but I appreciate you guys watching the video. I'm Jason and this is Lavish Car Reviews. We'll be back with the next one. We're gonna keep updating you as he does stuff on the car. I'll come back to you and report back to you with more stuff. So I appreciate it, brother. Thanks for taking me on that ride, man. So yeah, we'll catch you in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because I'm watching you guys. If you ain't subscribing, I'm gonna come after you, all right? So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.